Welcome to another session of Smart Learning. Today, we are going to discuss about the second part of definite article the. In the first part, we have already discussed about the uses of definite article. Now, the continuation of the uses of definite article the. Come to the first use with the names of gulfs, seas, oceans. That means before the names of gulfs, seas, oceans, we use the definite article the. For example, the Persian Gulf, the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. I hope you understood. Now, next one. Before the names of certain books, example, the Vedas, the Puranas. But remember one thing, when you mention the author of that particular book, you won't use the before the name of that book. Like the Valmiki's Ramayana, you can't say like that. Valmiki's Ramayana. You won't say Valmiki's the Ramayana. You will say Valmiki's Ramayana, Homer's Iliad, etc. Now move on to next use with the superlatives. Before a superlative degree, we will be using the definite article the. There are three degrees of comparison. Positive degree of comparison, comparative degree of comparison, and superlative degree of comparison. When you take a word dark, the positive degree will be dark, comparative degree will be darker, superlative degree will be darkest. So my dear students, please remember, before a superlative degree, we'll be using the definite article the darkest, the best. See the example, the darkest cloud has a silver lining. The best book which I ever read is Abdul Kalam's Ignited Minds. I hope you understood. Next one, with a singular noun when it represents a whole class. Listen very carefully. With a singular noun when it represents a whole class. Here, see the example, then you will understand the use. The cow is a useful animal. Here see, cow here represents the whole class. We are not talking about a particular cow here. We are talking about the whole class. The cow is a useful animal. All the cows are useful animals, is it? So we use the cow is a useful animal. Now move on to next use. Before a musical instrument. When you mention a musical instrument, then you have to use the definite article the. Example, the flute, the guitar, etc. Now one important thing about this definite article the. Maybe you have a doubt. Where will you pronounce the and where will you pronounce the? Students listen. We'll pronounce the before a vowel sound. Example, the elephant, the ice cream, the apple, etc. Now, when will you pronounce the? You'll pronounce the before a consonant sound. The boat, the book, the cat, the chair, etc. I hope you have already learned about all the things about articles, and by this video I am concluding the uses of definite article the. Thank you students. Have a nice day.